Hello everyone, it's me Sudeep from New Learners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Node.js on your system. I have provided the download link on description and comment section also. You can just download from there or just go on Google and search for nodejs.org. Then you will be redirected to this website. Then just click on here. After that, the download will be start. And once the download is complete, just click on open and this will open. Then click on next. Then click on I have agree and click on next. Then here you can just choose a location where you want to download Node.js. Then click on next. Then again click on next. Then again click on next and start. Then it will start downloading Node.js and just wait for some time. Then click on finish and open Node.js. Then here you can see Node.js has been successfully installed and it's working. Thank you for watching.
To find tonight.